If we have a vaccine, a year from now there'll be another mutation. The vaccine doesn't do anything.
If you really look at it, I've been talking to lots of business groups and other things.
If we have a vaccine, a year from now there'll be another mutation. The vaccine doesn't do anything.
If you really look at it, I've been talking to lots of business groups and other things. See, this virus right now, because I have so much communication, television, internet, everything, virus has become larger than life. Otherwise, many times this could have happened in the past and nobody even noticed. It happened, some people got fever, some people died, some people went on, and life went on this planet. It could have happened 1,000 times. But now because of communication, we are seeing an enlarged version of the virus which is coming like a wrecker ball towards us with thorns in it. So, it is looking like hugely magnified. I am not trying to belittle the danger attached to it. Already, unfortunately, more than 400,000 people are estimated to have died, and many others are in hospitals, at risk. I am not trying to say it is nothing, but it is mainly because one thing is concentration of human populations, another thing is our ability to move from any place to any place. Within a day, I can be in United States or another place. So, whatever happened in Wuhan, within probably weeks, it's all over the place. So, this would have never happened 500 years ago. If it happened in Wuhan, there only it would… 10 people will die and rest will recover and whatever will happen, that's all it would be. So in many ways, it's our lifestyle, and even now, as far as you should know better, but from whatever I've got from various doctors and scientists, they are saying every day on an average, 128 scientific papers are being published about the virus. About a microorganism, 128 papers per day for last 2 months it's happening. That means we are breaking the microorganism's characteristics into that many parts and studying it in so many little parts. That means actually we know nothing about it. The only way we have done some successful control of this is by controlling human behavior. We've done nothing about the virus. Fanciful talk about vaccine is happening, but if we come up with a good treatment protocol, that itself is a miracle. If we have a good treatment protocol, if I get the virus, I will not die, I can recover with a few days of treatment. If that much assurance comes, people will go about doing their business. Right now, we are talking about how to completely eliminate the virus, do this, do that. I don't think so, we should eliminate the virus because what benefits it has within itself, we're yet to realize. We're only seeing that it's uprooting some lives. Yes, it is tragic for those who have lost their loved ones and those who have lost their lives. It's not a joke. But we don't know what it is hiding within its process, because as you know, and almost every other medical personnel, and today because of internet almost everybody knows, a large part of us is virus, bacteria, microorganisms, a large part of us. There is more of them than us. Compared to the cells which have multiplied from our parentage, and the number of viruses and bacteria and microorganisms we have is much more. So, they are living with us, they are us in many ways. You cannot say there is something that is me and there is something that is microorganism, it's all mixed up. So without them we cannot exist, but without us they can exist. So, what great things they will do for us, we don't know. There is some research telling us that 100 million years ago, this whole human placenta came mainly because of a virus infection. So, it is the virus which gave us this placenta, which gave us the possibility of reproducing successfully, and the mother's womb, what happens, all those complex creation process that happens in our mother's wombs was instigated by a virus. So we don't know what this virus will bring, maybe we'll grow horns or a tail or wings, I don't know what. Let's see, you must tell me, you're the doctor.